How to create Snapchat account. If any day you're a new user in Snapchat or you would like to open the very Snapchat application so that most of your friends also have Snapchat and you'd also like to open the Snapchat, but you do not know how to create a Snapchat account, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to just download or install the Snapchat application on your mobile device. After you have installed it, now you can just tap on that and it will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to tap on the option of sign up there, and there you can see the option of sync the contacts. Now, if you tap on the option of allow, all of your contact will get access to your Snapchat, but if you deny it, it won't be synced. Now, after that, you can send a face like this. You can create a name on the Snapchat. For example, it is Nembro, and for example, after that, you can continue. After that, you can also set your date of birth here. You can just tap on the date of birth that is yours, and after that, go to the option of continue. Now, here you will get a username. Now, after you get a username, you can go to the option of continue, and then you can also set a password here. And after you set a password, you can go to the option of continue. Now, after you tap on the option of continue, now you have to set an email address there, or otherwise you also need to set a phone number. You can either set an email address or a phone number and then go to the option of continue. After that, you can see the interface of a phone number as well. Now, if you'd like to set the phone number, you can just tap a phone number there. Otherwise, you can go to the option of skip, and after that you can also go to the option of skip here and the next skip here, and after that you can see the option of creating your Bitmoji. If you tap here, now you can use your camera to instantly create an avatar that looks like you. Otherwise, you can go to the option of skip, and this way an account of yours will be opened on the Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.